This is Motorola G04, and today I'll show how you can take and manage screenshots on this device. First method to capture a screenshot is to simultaneously press the volume down and power buttons like that, and from here you can share your screenshot right away, or you can also open the editing interface and edit your screenshot. Draw over it. Of course, you can do that, and well, make all other kinds of adjustments. Now, if you'll go into your device's settings, then gestures, 3-finger screenshot, and enable this option, you get an additional method of taking screenshots. Now, once this option is enabled, just tap and hold your 3 fingers, and as you can see, the screenshot gets taken. From here you can also share it or edit it. Now I'll also show how you can capture scrolling screenshots. So simply open whatever it is that you would like to capture. So I'll go with settings, for example. Take a regular screenshots using any of the method that is available. Now then, press the capture more button, select how much more you would like to capture, and then save the result. In order to find all the screenshots you have made, just open your preferred gallery app. Most probably it is going to be Google Photos. Then go into Library, Albums, and here you have the separate screenshots album that contains all the screenshots you have captured. From here you can also edit it or share it if needed. Or you can also, transform this regular screenshot into a partial screenshot by just going into editing interface, then select the crop tool and crop your screenshot as you wish. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.